If you only learn one thing from ever watching my videos, it's this. Please do not spend any of the coins that you see in this video without knowing exactly what you have, where you're going to sell them, and how much you're going to make. Now, without wasting any more time, let's just cut to the chase, jump right in the video. So up first, we have a 1909 SVDB coin graded by PCGS, a mint state, 67 red. That was quite a mouthful there, but I'm going to break down why this coin sold for $108,000. So the first thing we need to know about these wheat cent pennies is the first year they produced them was 1909. So this is a first year of issue coin. Next, this has a small little S mint mark below the date, which stands for the San Francisco mint where this coin was produced. That's important. Remember that key area there. Next, on the back bottom center of the coin, you're going to see the initials of the engraver and designer VDB, which stands for Victor David Brenner. Now that VDB is not always going to be there. And the reason for that is because the US Mint did not like it there, so they removed it after a certain run of coins were produced. So there are not many coins out there with that VDB on the back. Now, what really makes this coin sell for a lot of money outside of the fact that it's a 1909 SVDB coin is the fact that it graded so highly by PCGS. It's important to know that the highest achievable grade in grading is 70, and this one's only 3 points away from that perfect grade of 70. Next, this has a designation of red. So when the coins are first being produced, for the most part, they are all going to be the red color, not always, but most of them. And over time, they will change color and turn into red, brown, or brown coins. Now, this is important because PCGS or NGC, the grading companies, will designate them as either red, brown, or brown coins, depending on how they look. Now, I'm going to throw up a scale of what that looks like so you can compare it to the coin in your hand to see which one you have. Now, let me know down in the comment section below which coin color that you have that you're looking at right now. But all these things combined allowed this one little penny to sell for $108,000. So this is one of my favorite types of coins. This is a 1969 1 cent doubled die obverse coin that sold for $126,500. So this coin was graded by PCGS, a mint state 64 red. As you can see on the left side of the coin there's a small little blemish. Now that is completely normal and natural. That is what some collectors call oxidation or toning occurring on the coin. It still allowed it to achieve a high grade of 64. Now remember, anything below 60 is considered to be almost uncirculated. Like I said, this is a doubled die obverse. That means that you can see a little bit of doubling occurring on the bottom right there on the date, Liberty at the left, and In God We Trust at the top. Now it's important to know that not all coins will have doubling this severe. This 1969 coin is famous for having very strong and apparent doubling. Combine that with a very high grade of 64 allowed this coin to sell for $126,500. This coin sold for $228,000, and here's why. So this is a 1943 coin that was graded by NGC and AU53. That stands for almost uncirculated. So you can see there's a lot of nicks and gashes. Now, if this coin would have graded higher, it would have brought way more money than $228,000. So essentially, during the war efforts, they needed bronze for ammunition, so they stopped producing the bronze coins and transitioned them into a zinc-coated steel planchet coin. So essentially, this 1943 coin should have been struck on a zinc-coated steel planchet instead of a bronze planchet. One little trick to tell if you have this coin or not is take a strong magnet and hover it over the coin. If your coin attracts to that magnet, then you do not have this rare 1943 coin. So guys, if you find a coin like this, make sure you keep it safe. Do not damage it because condition really matters. If it would have graded higher, it would have brought a lot more money, but this coin again sold for $228,000. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button so you do not miss any more videos, and I will see you in the next video.